Those are always.
The popcorn Jelly Belly?
Oh, those are That's just the worthless flavor.
Yeah.
Nobody likes that. No. There's not one person.
That's
it
a
certainly
felony.
doesn't go with tangerine.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
All right, so we can put oil in the motor.
I'm assuming it's this one.
C.
Are you going to put a new filter on it?
Grant kind of forgot to get one.
I'll get a filter.
Well, there's your other quart.
Yeah.
Here you go, funnel.
It's this one here, right? The crankcase?
Yep.
All right.
All right.
Good guess.
Let's start by disassembling the.
Take this thing apart.
Disassemble the pump.
How does this come out? Does it just pop out or is it?
I would pull out of the.
I'll pull out of there.
You got to pull out when you're done. Come on.
I'm out of practice, Bobby, with these things.
Oh my.
I'm not getting anything now.
No, but I was just trying to get something that. Trying to get whatever's in the tube.
So it's this.
Hi, Peter. Welcome back.
Are we done? Tomorrow morning I'll wake up and be like,
Oil's out.
oil's out.
All right.
The outdrive's draining. Things are getting
And then does this screw out?
handled.
That was pretty quick.
Or does it pop
Yeah,
out?
it's not bad.
It just.
Like that.
Oh,
Look at that.
Oh, I see. This thing.
The little pump.
Hang on, this turned.
It should just straight
Take your tongue
Oh.
off or
There it is.
No.
smoke the sewer gas out of that thing? Or...
put the plug in.
That's a nifty little container.
The little device.
Can you stand carefully on the ground? Thank you.
We're going to go dump that in the ocean, I guess.
I guess I'm gonna
Storm
take
drain.
it to a Napa or something tomorrow.
Vato zone.
Oh, I like that.
Vato zone?
Yes.
You do like Vato zone.
Yeah. Ultra clean.
I'd say this outdrive oil is almost ready to be changed.
Yeah, it's
A couple thousand more miles.
It's
It
fine.
should be good.
all right.
So it's supposed to use straight 30 weight.
Which
Which
you
one is this?
You
No,
got,
I'm sorry.
You got two different oils here. my
Yeah, I
friend.
do. I want this one actually.
2050. That's what the red riot uses.
How much does it take?
You'd be
5.5,
surprised.
but I didn't change the filter.
Really?
So I'm just gonna put in about 4. We're not gonna start it again.
Don't you have like a whole quart in the filter?
Probably, and then I'll just get a new filter. I mean, it's right there
Why don't you just change the filter? While you-
because I didn't think to bring one.
He forgot.
Oh, this brought oil.
He's honest with
So you're putting the dirty oil mixed with the clean oil.
Yeah, if we
That's
run
how it
low, we
works.
can just put some of the other back in.
Yeah.
Look at that. That stuff's like so clean.
I wonder how many Jiffy Lube
Gee.
mechanics put the old oil back in by mistake.
Well, I know that they overfill it.
Half the time
I
they
had
don't put oil in because they work at
They
Jiffy
strip your drain plug.
and blow your engine up.
Yeah, I had them overfill it by 1.5 quarts on my
Holy cow.
thing because I took my Toyota over there and then I had them. I always just check the dipstick after because I don't trust anybody. And
That's a
I was
lot.
like, this fucking thing's way over. And he's like, oh, we'll pull some out. I'm like, all right. And then we're gonna measure it after.
Oh my god.
I was like, well, this is why I don't come
I
to
do
you.
it myself. That's why I do it.
Yeah, that's why I started taking it to them. I mean, I started just bringing my own oil back to them. It's like, here, this is the only thing I'm confident you can handle.
I can do it. I've done it my whole life by myself. It's like, not
Actually,
hogging
you know,
under the T-bird.
if
but
I change the oil filter before I start it again, I'll get all the dirty oil out.
yeah, you can still do it.
Well, you know,
Exactly.
I would do it myself, but Theo charges me like $50 to do the oil. So it's like,
That's a
What?
lot.
Yeah.
$50 in my pocket.
well, no, it's $50. I mean, no, it's $100, but the materials are like $80. So it's like,
Oh, well,
so I'm like, well,
$20.
that's not worth $20 of my dealing with it.
You don't like the oil
Yeah,
dripping
you
down
used to
your
be able to
arm
do
and
oil
everything.
changes cheap, and now, oh my god,
Well, it's a synthetic oil, and oil is
every
$9,000
freaking
a
quart of
gallon.
oil is tremendously expensive.
Because it wouldn't be, one of my homies be like, I fucking told you.
so. Well, that wasn't very scientific.
We don't need science around here.
It's boating.
It's boating. They don't.
So how,
Send it. It's
how
fine.
much did you put that whole thing in there?
I put about 4 quarts in. The filter's about a quart.
That's not a full quart. That little tiny filter.
Well, what's behind it though? Because it doesn't have a check valve.
And whatever else to do.
Oh, okay.
No.
And then I'll start it.
You have a dipstick?
Yeah.
That's thinking of your dipstick.
Yeah, it is.
Somebody get the.
That makes me mad, these cars that don't have dipsticks. I just think that's a sin.
Is that a power steering pump?
It is a power steering pump.
What do you?
You
have
gotta
power
steer
steering?
you gotta steer the drive.
It's power.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is,
Nice.
I mean, this isn't super powerful, but it's powerful enough that you're going to get a torque reaction against it because the prop spinning is going to try and
Oh, wow.
push and
They
clutch.
call that engineer.
That's a.
P-factor.
Looks like a GM one. Isn't it?
P factor.
You guys are smart.
Not a GM power steering.
don't pee in the wind.
Yeah, that's also that's a good tip.
Don't eat yellow snow.
Shut up.
All right.
All right.
All right.
And now,
I'm from the cut-a-hole tribe. I will cut a hole.
You got all the cool gadgets.
You absolutely need these. You can't do this right.
Yeah, that's not a.
Yeah.
So what oil is this for now?
This is basically the transmission.
wait,
There's-
Andre,
there's
are you
pumping
dying?
Water up in here. It's
made it
blowing
laugh.
water
I feel like
out.
he's
There's
not
a drive shaft
he's
coming
off
in.
task.
There's a 45 degree.
He's got to go to detention.
It does look like one of those. It's been a while.
There's a cone clutch, so
Oh,
you
dear.
just forward
Oh,
neutral and
God.
reverse. There's no
So much. It's so much easier than those little plunger ones. You don't even have to take the giant thing of gear oil out.
Is it special oil?
It's gear oil.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think it's got,
heavier.
it's got probably some water emulsifiers in each.
Came out of there.
No.
Is that Bill Stewart in that, or is that? Who's Aaron?
Rag, please.
Rag. Scalpel.
Does he? Oh my God, boy, he just likes to buy those pieces of junk. I mean,
Damn, Andre.
for challenge.
Goopy oil.
Yes, a lot of
Oh,
my
let's taste that.
You know why
It's
they make
green.
the 7 of the 8 passenger defender?
Why is it green?
Plenty of people don't.
Is there antifreeze
Does it
in
smell funny?
a lot of my friends are into
Wanna smell it?
challenge
No, I'm
cars.
good.
Yes, I like challenge.
It's green for marine.
My dad but not for brand new.
Ooh,
no,
that's
my dad's
funky.
a driver. Better
Is it cold in there, you think?
No. This is
I'm not going to spend that kind of money.
gear oil. That's stinky.
Gear oil for.
Surprisingly enough, I've had my Jag 4 years and I've had
Put it
no.
in from the bottom,
I was like,
just
oh, why'd you
checking.
buy a Jag?
Mhm.
Piece of shit. No, it's not.
This holds 2
2001
quarts,
XJVDP.
plus or minus.
I love it.
A little bit under
Absolutely
2
love it.
quarts.
I can't wait till I can get here.
Okay, apparently you don't want that.
Does wear out. But you have the ability.
Wait, so you fill it from the bottom?
To get the air out. Otherwise, if you fill it from the top, you'd be trapping air in there.
Oh, that should be.
And you'll,
But then how do you like take that out and not
Exactly, you know?
have oil down?
Put the top plug in, and then it's got a vacuum, and then you've got somebody really fast
wait, no.
reflexes like
We can show a
Grant
little
there.
nipple.
He shoves the bottom one in real quick.
because it's
Oh,
definitely.
I would never have guessed that. That's a. Is that how you do
I'm
transmission
sure
too?
if I decided to open up an OnlyFans, I could get 1 or 2 people.
Scotty, we don't want to know.
This is true.
I guess it is, really, yeah. But you don't have,
Well, it's not as troublesome if they have more.
I love
Yeah.
it. Oh, and I
guess.
can.
All right. So now we're pumping gear oil in. There it goes.
Pump, pump.
Not that I
Notice
don't
it's green.
want a paradigm
That's green too.
Yep.
I don't remember which.
Can somebody get me another rag, possibly?
He needs a rag.
This is gonna turn
Rag.
into like a 3
Probably
rag.
No, I pulled mine out and put a new one in.
Oh dear.
Oh God.
Rag.
those are what we call sewer rats.
Use his bounty, the quicker chunk of rubber.
If anyone wants to pump,
Thank you, Grant.
I happen to be self-lubricating. Thanks.
That doesn't sound right. Never mind.
Oh my God.
Who's he kidding?
can somebody hand me
Friends
my
like
beer?
these.
Who needs an enema?
What?
Oh, it's a. There's a little.
Is it possible that Allie's taller than Menrad?
Every time that gate opens, I
You just said that on video. That's funny.
She's taller than his.
That's my.
Hold on. Enhance. Enhance.
I love it.
Enhance. Yes.
114,000.
Wow, we're way zoomed in on Grant.
Bless you.
There we go. We are ridiculous today.
Absolutely love it. Now, don't get me wrong. I've replaced all the rotors, all the pads.
Yeah, but those
all
are wear
the-
items.
All the shocks.
All right, this is getting boring. We're watching Grant.
I've offered other people they could have a chance at pumping. They're all like, no, no.
Well, if it wasn't for
Well, they want to make sure it's done right.
Can you open that and break the seal?
That I can do.
Break the seal, Wick.
No, they're not real bad. I want
I
something
have a
different.
rag, but I have a bounty, and it's the quicker, thicker, thicker upper.
Little bounty.
Oh, that does stink.
Yes. Everyone throws torque
I don't really enjoy that.
Bounty or brawny?
They're nice. For
You'd be
the
surprised.
Better.
car.
Well, I'm
my
Costco.
Yeah, but they're so over.
Yeah. Kirkland's signature?
They're everywhere you look.
Every time
That
I
works
went to
just
Sonic,
fine.
What did the fucking every damn hot rodder have? Torque thrust. I'm like, really? Could you get something other than American made racing? They have the chrome torque thrust too. Yeah. But what I like is a vintage.
My sweet IROC had torque thrust tubes.
What kind of IROC was it?
Sweet fucking IROC.
It was.
It wasn't a bitch in Camaro.
No, but that song also worked.
Right there, done.
So how do you know when this is full? When it starts spewing out of there?
It'll blow it.
Goes way up there.
Well, yeah, but it's just little passageways in certain places. The whole
Oh,
thing
it's
is not
coming
filled
out.
with
Coming out.
Oh dear.
Whoa!
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good eye.
I saw that. Good eye.
Yes, we were timely with our questions.
Yeah.
Wow, that worked out really well.
Swing axle. Can you still go around the corner?
Gotta get all these oil spills up because Stevie's gonna be over here checking things out tomorrow.
Do you have oil?
He's the guy that's supposed to be building the storage space at Gene Autry.
Oh yeah, whatever happened?